Many of you might know that HTC was behind some of the most iconic early touchscreen phones. Remember the very first Sony Ericsson Xperia X1 with its unique panels UI? Yep, that was HTC's handiwork. And who could forget the Nexus 1 and the T-Mobile G1, also known as the HTC Dream. Personally, I'd love to see HTC take another shot at dominating the flagship Android market, but it seems like they have different plans this time around. Spoiler alert, it's another mid-range phone. But wait, don't roll your eyes just yet. From what we know so far, it actually sounds pretty impressive. HTC Taiwan has teased a new phone launch set for June 12th at 8 a.m. Taiwan time, which is 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This mysterious device might be the HTC U24 Pro. We caught a glimpse of it in the Google Play console back in April, but it hasn't been officially announced until now. As for specs, we're talking a 1080 by 2436 pixel resolution display, a Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor, and a whopping 12 gigs of RAM. That's some serious mid-range power. Plus, it's got Bluetooth 5.3, which is a nice touch. Now, HTC might still have some surprises up their sleeve. We don't have all the details yet, but it's exciting to think about what they could be hiding. The HTC U23 Pro made its debut in May of last year, so it's about time we see a successor. And from what we think, it could be priced at under $350. Not bad for everything it's packing, right? So, what do you think? Could this new HTC phone make waves in the mid-range market? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.